Hello, my name is Brenna Palughi. And I will be teaching a workshop in physical acting. We will do conditioning work, emotional release work, and then that's the body intelligence part of the workshop, which will happen in the mornings. And then in the afternoons, we will delve into Lucid Body, a psychophysical process to get to know self and your own instrument, explore the physical body of character, and work on physical listening and being available to your partner. We will use the source text of Spoon River Anthology and to work on character and work on a presentation that we will have at the end of the workshop. So I'm very excited to be there, and I hope to see you.